Hello and welcome back again to our channel. Today, ang gagawin natin is yung Dreamcatcher inspired na crochet top. So, we're going to use our 3mm crochet hook. There, and then we have our scissors. And our yarn needle. Of course, we have our yarn. Ito yung yarn na nabili ko sa Baguio. Indophil yata yung tawag dito. So, it's like this. Yung hiwa-hiwalay siya. So, to start off, we're going to make a magic ring. And this is how I make my magic ring. You have to wrap your yarn around your 2 fingers twice, and then the other one is on the other side, and then you're going to take the other yarn and make a chain right away. So the first round is 18 double crochet on our magic circle. So we're going to make a chain 2. So this will count as our first double crochet. So 17 double crochet na lang. So now we have our 18 double crochet, so just have to pull your tail, and then we're going to join this and just have to slip stitch. So this is our first round. Second round, chain 4. And then double crochet right away dun sa next double crochet. Dun sa next chain. We're not going to skip any chains. Yung chain 4 is a double crochet and chain 1 space. So we make our first double crochet. So chain 1 and then double crochet again on the next chain. So that will be the pattern for the second round. Chain 1, double crochet on the next chain, chain 1. So you just have to repeat the process until you reach the end. So now we are on our last chain. I made a chain 1 already. Tapos, second double crochet dun sa last. And don't forget to make a chain 1. And then, slip stitch on the third chain. Kasi yung 1 is for the space. So, that is our second round. For the third round, slip stitch on the chain 1 space, and then chain 3. This chain 3 counts as the first double crochet. And then we're going to make 2 double crochet together. Ito na naman yung double crochet na hindi tinatapos. So, dalawa lang. And then, finish it off. And then, we're going to make chain 3. And then, on the next chain 1 space, we're going to make 3 double crochet together. That's the second one, and this is the third one. And then you have to finish it off. And then chain 3. So that is the pattern for the third round. 3 double crochet together. And then chain 3. And you're going to do it on all of our chain 1 space until you reach this end. So 3 double crochet together, then chain 3, then again on the next chain 1 space, then chain 3 again. So now we are on our last chain 1 space. Ito na yung chain 3 natin. And then we're going to do the last 3 double crochet together. And then chain 3 again. And slip stitch dun sa top. So that is our third round. For our next round, you make a slip stitch dun sa chain 3 space. And we're going to chain 4. And then single crochet dun sa next chain 3 space. Then chain 4 again. Then single crochet again doon sa chain 3 space. Chain 4. And then single crochet. So that will be our repeat. Chain 4 and single crochet on the chain 3 space. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then single crochet. chain 4, and then single crochet. So you're going to repeat all the way until we reach the end. So on the next round, we're going to slip stitch again on our chain 4 space. And then we're going to chain 5. And then single crochet on our chain 4 space. So chain 5 again. And then single crochet on the chain 4 space. Two, 3, 4, and 5, and then single crochet. So that will be the repeat for this round. Okay, so you just have to repeat all the way until you reach the end. So now we slip stitch on the last chain that we did. So this is our 5th round, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And for our 6th round, we are going to slip stitch to reach the middle of our chain 5. So we're going to make 3 slip stitch para ma-reach natin yung middle ng chain 5 na ginawa natin previously. And then we're going to chain 3. So we slip stitch until we reach the middle chain doon sa 5 chains na ginawa natin previously. So I make a chain 3. That counts as our first double crochet. And then I make a second double crochet on the same space. And then we're going to make a chain of 2. And then 2 double crochet ulit doon sa same space, middle chain. Everything is done on that middle chain. Ayun yung middle. We have 5 chains. On the 3rd one, we're going to do 2 double crochet, chain 2, and 2 double crochet. Chain 2 and another 2 double crochet. And we're going to repeat that one until we reach the end. Again, 1 double crochet, second double crochet, chain 2, and 2 more double crochet. So that will be our repeat. Again, dun sa 3rd chain, 2 double crochet, chain 2, and then another 2 double crochet. So that will be a repeat until we reach this end. Ayan, nandito na tayo sa last chain 5 natin. So we're going to make our last set of 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. And we're going to slip stitch on our first chain 3. Chain 1, and we're going to cut our yarn. So this is our Dreamcatcher